Welcome to Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Ladies, today as you enjoy some chicken noodle soup, you've been talking about what to do about your home that's been listed for about 35 days. And just recently, the furnace broke down. So, you have some options. You can replace the motor and the motherboard and make it all work just fine. Cool the house down, especially with this heat wave that we've been having. And you could also perhaps add air conditioning. So, what do you think you're going to do? Because your house has obviously been sitting there for quite some time. Still a little bit on the high side, and that's what the market is telling you. So think about it. It may be worth the investment to add air conditioning when you're having the repairs done, as opposed to just doing the bare minimum. So, we'll see you next time on Real Estate from a Chicken's Perspective. Have a great day.